Ackee is one of the most unique tropical fruits in the world, famous in Caribbean cuisine and especially known as the national fruit of Jamaica. But beyond its rich buttery texture and savory flavor, ackee also carries several health-supporting nutrients that can benefit the body when properly prepared and safely eaten. One of the biggest advantages of ackee is its healthy fat content. Unlike many fruits that are mostly sugar and water, ackee contains beneficial unsaturated fats. These fats can support heart health, help maintain energy levels, and contribute to healthier cholesterol balance when eaten as part of a balanced diet. The creamy texture of ackee comes naturally from these fats, making it a satisfying food that can help keep hunger under control longer than many low-fat snacks. Ackee is also a source of plant-based protein. While it is not as protein-rich as beans or meats, it still provides amino acids that help support muscle maintenance and tissue repair. Combining ackee with foods like beans, fish, or grains can create a more balanced meal that supports energy and recovery throughout the day. Another important benefit of ackee is its fiber content. Dietary fiber supports digestive health by helping food move through the digestive system more efficiently. Fiber may also support healthier blood sugar balance and can contribute to feeling full after meals, which may help with appetite management. A fiber-rich diet is also commonly linked to better heart health and digestive regularity. Ackee contains vitamin C, an antioxidant vitamin that supports the immune system and helps the body protect itself from oxidative stress. Vitamin C also assists with collagen production, which plays a role in maintaining healthy skin, blood vessels, and connective tissues. Antioxidants in foods like ackee may help reduce damage caused by free radicals produced during normal metabolism and exposure to environmental stressors. The fruit also contains vitamin A and related carotenoids. These nutrients are important for eye health, skin health, and immune support. Vitamin A plays a role in maintaining normal vision, especially in low light conditions, and contributes to healthy cell growth throughout the body. Ackee provides minerals such as potassium, magnesium, calcium, and iron. Potassium helps support healthy blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in the body and supporting proper muscle and nerve function. Magnesium contributes to muscle relaxation, nerve signaling, and energy production. Calcium supports strong bones and teeth, while iron helps transport oxygen throughout the body and supports healthy energy levels. Another interesting feature of ackee is its natural energy-supporting nutrients. The combination of healthy fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals makes it a food that can provide steady energy rather than the quick spikes associated with heavily processed snacks. Many traditional Caribbean meals pair ackee with nutrient-dense ingredients that create a filling and energizing dish. Ackee may also support brain function because healthy fats are important for the nervous system. The brain relies heavily on fats for structure and communication between cells. Nutrients like magnesium and potassium also support normal nerve function and cognitive performance. One of the most important things to understand about ackee is that it must be properly ripened before consumption. Unripe ackee contains toxic compounds that can be dangerous. Safe ackee naturally opens on the tree when ripe. Only the cream-colored flesh should be eaten, while the seeds and pink inner parts must be discarded. Proper preparation is extremely important for safety. Canned ackee sold commercially is typically prepared according to food safety standards. Ackee is often cooked with vegetables, onions, peppers, herbs, and fish, creating nutrient-rich meals that contain protein, fiber, healthy fats, and minerals all together. Traditional dishes can provide balanced nutrition while also delivering rich flavor. For people trying to diversify their diet with tropical foods, ackee can be an interesting addition because it offers nutrients that differ from many common fruits. Its savory profile also makes it versatile for breakfast, lunch, or dinner dishes rather than only sweet recipes. Another advantage of ackee is that it can fit into several eating styles. Its healthy fat content may appeal to people looking for more satisfying whole foods, while its fiber and nutrient profile can support balanced eating habits. Since ackee is naturally plant-based, it may also work well in vegetarian or flexitarian meal plans when paired with other protein sources. Ackee's antioxidant compounds may help support overall wellness by helping the body respond to oxidative stress. While no single food is a miracle cure, Regularly eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and tropical produce can contribute to long-term health support. Some people also appreciate ackee because of its culinary uniqueness. Its soft texture is often compared to scrambled eggs or avocado-like richness. This makes it useful for creating filling meals without relying heavily on processed ingredients. When selecting ackee, safety always comes first. Fresh ackee should only be consumed once fully opened naturally. Never force open unopened pods, and avoid eating any unripe portions. Properly prepared ackee can be both flavorful and nutritious, but preparation knowledge is essential. Bonus: here's something many people do not realize about ackee. Because of its combination of healthy fats and minerals, it can be a more sustaining breakfast option compared to sugary cereals or pastries that lead to energy crashes later in the day. Traditional ackee meals are often designed to provide long-lasting fullness and balanced energy for physical activity and work throughout the day. Another hidden benefit is how ackee pairs well with nutrient-rich vegetables and spices. Cooking ackee with tomatoes, peppers, onions, garlic, thyme, and leafy greens can increase the antioxidant and vitamin content of the entire meal. Combining foods this way creates more nutritional variety without requiring complicated recipes. Ackee also stands out culturally. Traditional foods from around the world often contain overlooked nutritional value developed through generations of cooking practices. Ackee is a strong example of how cultural cuisine can combine flavor, nourishment, and food traditions into one meal experience. And finally, moderation matters. Even healthy foods are best enjoyed as part of a balanced diet that includes hydration, physical activity, adequate sleep, and a variety of whole foods. Ackee can absolutely be part of that lifestyle when properly prepared and safely consumed.